Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how to enable or disable vehicle motion cues on your iPhone. First, you'll want to open the Settings app. Once you're there, scroll down until you find Accessibility, and tap on it. In the Accessibility menu, look for the Motion option and tap on that. Now, you should see Show Vehicle Motion Cues. Tap on that. Here, you'll see the option is likely set to Automatic. This means your iPhone will automatically detect when you're in a moving vehicle and turn the feature on. You can manually turn it off so it never appears, or manually turn it on. As you can see, when turned on, these motion cues appear. The idea behind them is to follow the motion of the vehicle to help reduce motion sickness. If I wiggle my iPhone around, you can see the cues are moving, simulating the movement of the vehicle. Now for a bonus tip. I'm going to show you how to add this option to your control center so you can quickly turn it on and off. First, access your control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Then, tap the plus icon plus in the top left corner to edit your control center. Tap Add a Control at the very bottom of the screen. Now, scroll down to the very bottom of the control center options until you find Vision Accessibility. Tap on that. Within Vision Accessibility, find and select Vehicle Motion Cues. You should now see it added to your control center. You can also resize the widget if you would like to do so. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to your home screen or app.
Now, open your control center again.
Tap the new widget you just created, and you'll see the same options as before in the Settings app. And that's it. That's how you enable and manage vehicle motion cues on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Roam tips. Thanks for watching.